Big J TV presents Big Singer for Jesus. Yes, it's day 2 of auditions for Amchi Mumbai. Well, our participants from Mumbai are all set and ready to enthrall you and me with their soul-touching, heart-touching music, which would they not be singing only to impress or tell the audience how good or bad they are for singing, but just to praise and worship and glorify the one above, Jesus as well. That's it. Let's kickstart this beautiful event.
Okay, Mumbai, we have our next contestant over here. Her name is Sophia with really lovely hair. Okay, so tell me something like you're studying in college or what?
I am studying and I'm doing a homeschooling and I'm in 12th right now.
Studying, working both?
No, I'm not.
Homeschooling as in?
No, I'm not working, I'm studying in my 12th
And along with this, you have this passion for music.
Yes.
How did you came to know about this contest?
I got my church. I got this. I came to know through my church. This about this Big J TV.
And you are in the church since childhood?
Yeah. No, I just joined. I'm gonna complete 1 year in December.
In the church? Oh, so you have just...
I'm not new. I used to go in other church, but then I just...
So you know Christ since your birth, since childhood. That's really amazing, and God has blessed you, I think, with the voice. So do you also compose or you only sing?
No, I only sing.
Okay, so I hope you'll get the composing gift also very soon. All the best for the contest, and I hope you're not nervous.
No, not at all. Hello sir, my name is Sophia and I'm gonna sing Tu Bade Main Ghatu. तेरे नाम के लिए जिए हम, 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 तू बड़े मैं घटू, मेरे जीवन से महिमा तुझे मिले, तू बड़े मैं घटू, मेरे जीवन से महिमा तुझे मिले, स्तुतियों के बीच में विराजमान प्रभु, तू बड़े और मैं घटू, स्तुतियों के बीच में विराजमान प्रभु, तू बड़े और मैं घटू, तू बड़े मैं घटू, मेरे जीवन से महिमा तुझे मिले, तू बड़े मैं घटू, मेरे जीवन से महिमा तुझे मिले।
बेटा थोड़ा सा माइक नजदीक पकड़ के और एक दो लाइन किसी और गाने के गा लो।
कोई और गाना?
कोई और गाना जो तुमको पसंद है।
ओके।
हाँ?
कहता है मन झूले मुझे, आया हूँ तेरे पास यीशु, भर दे मुझे, चंगा कर दे तेरे पवित्र आत्मा से। कहता है मन झूले मुझे, आया हूँ तेरे पास यीशु, भर दे मुझे, चंगा कर दे तेरे पवित्र आत्मा से।
ठीक है बेटा, अच्छा लगा मुझे गाना। आप फीलिंग से गाते हो, फीलिंग्स के साथ गाते हो, बट फीलिंग्स के साथ गाने के लिए दो चीज़ को कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं कर सकते। एक तो प्रोनाउंसिएशन, उसको कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं कर सकते, और दूसरी बात है कि खुली आवाज़ में गाना ज़रूरी है ना। आप दबा के गा रहे हो, एक कोई दूसरी आवाज़ आ रही है तो फीलिंग्स अच्छे हैं, पिचिंग अच्छा है, and I loved your singing, so it's a yes from me. But if you look at the competition that's going on, you need to work hard on your talent, and it's a yes from me. All the best and do your best.
Thank you, sir.
God bless.
Sophia, good. God bless you. I don't want to add more, but it's yes from me. Same. You need to be open. Voice को जरा, the words and voice should be open. जरा मुंह खोल कर गाना बहुत जरूरी है.
Thank you,
Okay?
sir.
It's very tough. Competitions are very tough. Okay. God bless you. Yes from me again. Keep going.
Thank you, sir.
Hey guys, we had our next participant, Sophia, who just entered in with a lot of shyness. Let's see whether she'll come out like a lioness. Okay, so waiting for Sophia. Sophia, there she is. Yeah, I said like a lioness, right? So Sophia, I was just telling them before you say what happened inside. I could guess what happened, right? You went in with a lot of shyness and you came out like a lioness, right? So please tell me what happened exactly inside.
I was quite scared and I didn't know what will happen, but I just give it to God, everything. And I'm so happy now.
As of now, ऐसा लगता है कि you were not scared, you scared the judges, right? So what comments the judges had to say?
Judges were like happy, but only thing is I had to open up and yep.
अगर इसको ओपन अप होना नहीं कहते तो किसको कहते हैं भाई? हाँ, so I really love the energy. You have all the best and congratulations for the next round. So any message for fellow participants out there?
All the participants, all the best. Do your best. Don't be scared.
And come out like lioness. Cheers, all the best for the next round. Well, that was Sophia, our wow lioness for you. Waiting for the next participant.
Are you big singer Jay? Are you big singer Jay?
Praise and worship be all for the glory of the God. Okay, हमारी next contestant है, उनका नाम Ruth Mary है. So she is as beautiful as Ruth and Mary would have been in Bible, if I'm not wrong. Please come over here. Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
So you have a combination of Ruth and Mary. Do you have any qualities similar to them?
Yeah, because I'm too faithful and trustworthy, so that's exactly like my name. So yeah.
Oh my God, that's really great. You have calls, you're faithful, you're trustworthy, you have every good quality, I should say. And you're also a singer, it seems.
Yeah, so yeah, I used to sing before, so now I'm a vocal instructor for kids.
Vocal instructor, that's really great. So you're a teacher also, so you know what would be the judges commenting by just looking at them, that what would be their reaction. So you've been singing for your church?
Yeah, so I'm a worship leader back in the New Life.
From which city? Like which part? You're from Borivali. Oh, mine is in Malad, so like one station ahead. Okay, that's really great, and I really good to see you over here. I hope you will get selected for the next audition. And you have any plans for future? Like maybe, where do you see yourself in next 10 years in the ministry?
So I want to become a worshipper, maybe in the Hillsongs. That was my dream, like since when I was a kid, to become like Tyra Smith. So let's hope maybe the Lord's will.
Hillsong, Dinah Smith, oh my God, your dreams are too big, but our God is bigger than that to fulfill your dreams. I hope you will get into the Hillsong one time, and you have to give me free passes if you get through. That's really great. Nice, great speaking to you. We have Ruth Mary over here, faithful, loyal and beautiful as can be in the Bible. So she will be going for the auditions next over here, and we will see what happens next.
Hi, my name is Ruth Mary Parr. I'm from NLF Church, Borivali, yeah. And I'll be singing Worthy is the Lamb. Thank you for this love, Lord. Thank you for the price you paid, bearing all my sin and shame. In love you came, gave amazing grace. Thank you for this love, Lord. Thank you for the nail-pierced hands, bearing all my sin and shame. In love you came and gave amazing grace. Well, throne, crowned you now with many crowns. You reign victorious, high and lifted up, Jesus, Son of God, the darling of heaven, crucified. Worthy is the Lamb, worthy is the Lamb, worthy is the Lamb.
Ruth Mary, God bless you. Very wonderful voice you have, but it's a little bit shaky. You know, shaky means it's not clearly we could. I mean, I'm able to, but your pitch and your voice is wonderful. There's no compromise in that. But I want to tell you, it's very tough. The competitions are very tough. You need to be very serious in that. From my side is yes, of course. You have to go ahead, but see that it's not be shaky. It's trembling voice. ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. It should be clear. God bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah, Ruth, it's a yes from my side as well.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I like the way you sing. You know, need to work on the tone, which I'm sure you'll do. You got scope, you got time to work on it. So, all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Hey guys, we had a pretty girl, Ruth, who has gone inside. Let's see how ruthless was she with her songs to the judges, or was she ruthless with the judges? Okay, let's see what happens. Ruth, where are you? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. That says it all.
Oh my gosh, I was so nervous.
Oh, you could take... And then tell us, how ruthless were you with your singing inside?
Actually, I was like a dove, so I was too scared and too nervous, and I was literally shaking and trembling while singing. So,
And you want me to believe that she was quiet and like a dove? You want us to believe that? Looking at her excitement, can you see she was like this inside? You came out like a lioness here, isn't it?
is it?
Yeah.
I think once you go and you're like all quiet because you don't know the results, and then now it's like, oh my gosh,
Okay, so now she knows the results. She's like a boss. She has come out. So what the judges had to say?
They liked my voice. They said I had a good pitch for it, and they just said I was trembling because I think I was too nervous already. But they said it's a yes, so they said see you next time.
Okay, that's really nice. So I've got a small task for you. Okay, so since I've heard that you're very vibrant with your singing, so what we could do is the same track which you sang, 2 lines I want you to sing, but in a different emotion altogether. Okay, that emotion. What is the emotion of the song as of now? Lovable. So imagine the same track you're singing, sobbing. The emotion could be sobbing. Just try. Let's see how Ruth could be ruthless with this task. See, I am horribly bad at singing, so whatever you say, I'll be like, wow. So forget about that. Okay, nobody's judging you out here. Okay? Ready? So, Ruthless Ruth, up for you.
Worthy is the Lamb seated on the throne.
Okay, that was Ruth for you. Thank you so much, Ruth. All the best for the next round. I'm sure you'll nail it there as well. Cheers. Well, that was the Ruthless Ruth, as we've said. She's nailed it. Let's see what happens next with the next participant. Cheers. Thank you so much.
Big J TV presents Big Singer for J. Program sponsors Kane Properties, Udupi, Silas International School, Udupi, Lombard Memorial Hospital, Udupi, Impra Refrigeration Sales and Service, Udupi and Mangalore, SPS Fabrics, Super Bazaar, Udupi, Bethel Higher Primary English Medium School, Kunjibettu, Udupi, the Solfa Western Music Professional School, Mangalore, Autoland, Kinnimulki, Udupi, Western Institute of Technology, Mangalore, Imuna Masalas, Angel Auto Services, Chandivelli, Mumbai.
Are you big singer for J? Are you big singer for J?
ऑल ग्लोरी टू गॉड. ओके, सो हम जानते हैं कि परमेश्वर ने आदम और हवा दोनों को बनाया, और इसी तरह से हमारे यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारी फीमेल कंटेस्टेंट्स हमारे यहाँ पे है. सो आई कैन सी द पैशन ऑफ क्राइस्ट इन म्यूजिक ग्रोइंग इन फीमेल्स एज वेल. आई हैव अनदर फीमेल ओवर हियर विथ मी. हर नेम इज रीमा. Reema, how are you today?
Yeah, I'm super excited.
You're excited. Oh my god, that's really good. So I think you have been into the music since a long time.
Music, I've not been learning music, but I'm singing for the glory of the Lord since I was a child. So
you have been blessed with music, I should say that.
yeah, God gifted.
God gifted. So you use it, you sing in your church and all that?
Yeah, I have youth fellowship and etc. So we often sing in the choir group.
So what church you belong to?
I belong to UBM Church, Bethel Church, Ambernath.
Ambernath. So you have come all the way from Ambernath? Oh my god, big travel over here. That's really great. God will definitely honor you for the patience and the travel that you have done all the way for His glory. And I hope you'll keep singing for His glory in future as well. You have any plans like to join a band or to have a band or to be a worship leader, something like that?
Nothing like that, sort of, but yeah, singing for the glory of the Lord.
Just singing and going with the flow as God takes you. And that's really great. We should keep everything in His hands and God will take you to the best place. All the best for the round over here, and I hope to see you in the next round very soon. Thank you. So we had Reema over here, one of the female contestants. She was super excited and not nervous at all. I hope she'll get through that.
Hi, my name is Reema. Today I'm going to present a Kannada song.
ಜಯಶಾಲಿ ನನ್ಯೇಸುವೆ ಈ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮವ ಎಂದೆಂದು ನಿನ್ನ ಭಜಿಸುವೆ ಎಂದೆಂದು ಹಾಡುವೆ ಜಯಶಾಲಿ ನನ್ಯೇಸುವೆ ಈ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮವ ಎಂದೆಂದು ನಿನ್ನ ಭಜಿಸುವೆ ಎಂದೆಂದು ಹಾಡುವೆ ಜಯಶಾಲಿ ನಿನ್ ಪದವಿ ತೋರಿದಿ ನನಗಾಗಿ ದಾಸತ್ವ ಧರಿಸಿದೆ ತಂದೆಯ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಸ್ಥಾನವ ನೀ ತೋರಿದು ಬಂದಿಯ ನಿನ್ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ನಾನರಿಯಳು ಈ ನಿನ್ನ ಕರೆದೆಯ ಕಾಪಾಡಿ ನಡೆಸು ಎಂದೆಂದು ಈ ನಿನ್ನ ಮಂದೆಯ ಜಯಶಾಲಿ ನನ್ಯೇಸುವೆ ಈ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮವ ಎಂದೆಂದು ನಿನ್ನ ಭಜಿಸುವೆ ಎಂದೆಂದು ಹಾಡುವೆ ಜಯಶಾಲಿ
Reema, song is amazing. Voice is tremendous for me. But just I want you to sing one more song, some other song from our any song. You can just
Okay, so you want it to be in which language?
any language. No, Kannada is okay for.
I'll sing a Hindi song.
No problem. Kannada is also okay. Whichever you are comfortable, you can sing. Yeah.
तेरी आराधना करूं तेरी आराधना करूं पाप क्षमा कर जीवन दे दे दया की याचना करूं तेरी आराधना करूं तू
रीमा राइट
Yeah.
रीमा आप अच्छा गाते हो या तो मेरी साइड से भी यस है एंड जस्ट द थिंग दैट वर्क ऑन योर ब्रेथ
Okay.
ब्रेथ कंट्रोल सांस ख़त्म हो जाती है आपकी है ना जब आधी लाइन हो जाती है आपकी सांस ख़त्म हो जाती है फिर जब सांस ख़त्म हो जाती है तो सुरों पे टिका रहना बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है
Okay.
work on your breath the competition is getting tougher by the day and you need to work on your singing beta. And you know, the modulations come later. That's after you get your voice thing done. So पहले voice पे काम कीजिए और pronunciations पे काम कीजिए और all the best.
Thank you so much.
Even from my side is yes. Be natural in singing. Okay? God bless you.
Thank you.
God bless you. All the best.
Hey guys, we're all waiting for our next participant. We have roaring Reema who has just stormed in inside. Let's see whether she'll storm out roaring as well. We're waiting for Reema and there she is. Hey Reema, how was it?
It was really wonderful.
Okay, and that smile says it all. What the judges have to say.
Yeah, they said that I'm selected and yeah, you okay. So I have to work a little more on, you know, the words that I say, the pitching part, and yeah, I'll work on it.
Yes, so what are your preparations for the coming rounds then?
I'll work more hard, and yeah, the competition is getting more tougher. So
looking at ऐसा लगता है कि अभी से वो मेंटली प्रिपेयर करिए, अगले राउंड में ऐसे करूँगी, वो करूँगी, सेलिब्रेशंस कम करूँगी, डायरेक्ट फाइनल जीतूंगी, 1 लाख रुपए जीतूंगी. 1 लाख रुपए जीत कर क्या करोगे?
क्या पता, पहले जीतू तो.
That's nice. Okay, all the best Reema. All the best for the next round. Congratulations as well. Well, that was roaring Reema for us. Let's see what happens next. Mumbai, here we come.
Are you big singer Jay? Are you big singer Jay?
Hello people, once again ongoing with the audition, and I can see a lot of people coming inside, and as over here I have the next contestant who has also taken this opportunity only to glorify Jesus. I have Miss Hilda over here coming in. Hello Miss Hilda, how are you?
I'm fine.
Are you too nervous today?
हिंदी में बोले.
आप बहुत nervous हैं?
हाय, थोड़ा सा
नर्वस है. हाँ. आप गाने गाते रहते हैं चर्च में, या आपका ये पहला ऑडिशन है इसलिए आप नर्वस हैं?
चर्च में हम गाते रहते हैं, क्वायर में है.
तो फिर किस बात की नर्वसनेस है आपको? आप क्वायर में इतने बड़े चर्च के सामने गा सकते हैं. अभी तो सिर्फ 2 जजेस है और परमेश्वर तो वही है. आप वहाँ पे भी उनके लिए गाते हैं, यहाँ पे भी उनके लिए गाएंगे. जजेस को भूल जाइए, जस्ट रिमेंबर जीसस इन फ्रंट. नर्वसनेस अपने आप निकल जाएगी. हम कैसे भी गाए, परमेश्वर तो हम पसंद करता ही है. तो आप चर्च में काफ़ी टाइम से हैं?
हाँ, 7-8 साल से.
7-8 साल से. तो आपको किसी ने गॉस्पेल दिया था?
नहीं,
गॉस्पेल आपको खुद से पता चला चर्च के बारे में?
हाँ.
और अभी आपको सही में अच्छा लग रहा है चर्च में? आपकी लाइफ में कुछ चेंज आया है परमेश्वर के आने के बाद?
हाँ, बहुत चेंजेस आए.
बहुत सारे चेंजेस आए हैं. तो आप कुछ बता सकते हैं हमें? तो हमारी ऑडियंस इंस्पायर हो जाएंगी, शायद उनको भी फिर किसी को गॉस्पेल की ज़रूरत होगी, तो आप गॉस्पेल दे सकते हैं उनको. आपकी लाइफ कैसे चेंज हुई परमेश्वर में आने के बाद?
हम लोगों को कैसे प्रार्थना करने का वो समझ में आया.
अच्छा.
और कैसा एक परमेश्वर से प्रार्थना करने का.
अच्छा.
और ऐसा सब.
आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स भी सब सॉल्व हो चुकी रहेगी आई होप. जो मांगो सो मिलेगा, ढूंढो तो पाओगे, खटखटाओ तो खोला जाएगा. ये परमेश्वर का वचन है. तो आपके लिए भी यही है, आप मांग लीजिए, परमेश्वर देने के लिए तैयार है आपको. तो हिल्डा जी आपको इंस्पायर करना चाहती है कि आप भी इसी परमेश्वर के पास, एक ही सत्य है, एक ही मार्ग, एक ही जीवन है, जो है परमेश्वर प्रभु यीशु मसीह. जिस तरह से हिल्डा जी यहाँ तक आई है, उनकी नर्वसनेस भाग जाने वाली है अभी, क्योंकि परमेश्वर उनके सामने रहने वाला है. यहाँ पे भी, वहाँ पे भी, हर जगह पे. डोंट फील नर्वस. प्रेज गॉड एंड यू आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू गेट सिलेक्टेड. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर दैट. ऑल ग्लोरी टू गॉड. जैसे उन्होंने कहा, मांगो तो मिलेगा, ढूंढो तो पाओगे, खटखटाओ तो खोला जाएगा. ये परमेश्वर का वचन आपके लिए भी है. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप इस कॉन्टेस्ट में क्या करें क्या नहीं करें, तो परमेश्वर से मांगिए. उन्होंने कहा है कि मार्ग, सत्य, जीवन में हूँ. उसी तरह से ये आपके लिए रास्ता है. अगर आपको वर्शिप का बहुत शौक है तो आप डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे आइए. आपके लिए बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है.
नाम हिल्डा डायस. मैं कोंकणी सॉन्ग सिंग कर रही हूँ. जीवा देवाच्या आत्म्या आमकां तुझी जाणवाय दी, परगट का देवाची महिमा. जीवा देवाच्या आत्म्या आमकां तुझी जाणवाय दी, परगट का देवाची महिमा. तुझी महिमा हांगा देवनी, तुझ्या जिविताची जर वाळणी, तुझ्या राज्याचे
समजुंदी तुझी महिमा हांगा तुझी महिमा हांगा देवोंदी तुझी महिमा हांगा तुझी महिमा हांगा देवोंदी तुझी महिमा हांगा देवोंदी तुझ्या जीविताची जर वाळोंदी तुझ्या राजाचे समजुंदी तुझी महिमा हांगा तुझी महिमा हांगा देवोंदी तुझी महिमा हांगा तुझी महिमा हांगा देवोंदी।
हिल्डा, आपका जो एंथुजियाज़म है बड़ा अच्छा है और गाने की इच्छाएं आपकी बड़ी अच्छी है। आपको और तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी। मैं चाहता हूं कि आप और तैयारी करके और गाना अच्छे से गा के अगले साल हम कोशिश करेंगे। इस बार वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू हैव यू। फ्रॉम माई साइड इट्स नो, बट आई रियली अप्रिशिएट द वे यू हैव द एंथुजियाज्म टू सिंग। कोंकणी गाना सुन के बड़ा अच्छा लगा, बट फॉर द कॉम्पिटिशन, फॉर द म्यूज़िक, फॉर द सिंगिंग यू विल हैव टू वर्क अ बिट हार्डर।
सेम हियर अम्मा, बहुत अच्छा गाया आपने। आपका इस उम्र में भी आप खुदा के लिए जिस तरीके से आके गा रहे हो, प्रभु आपको और आशीष करे। बट आपको और थोड़ा तैयारी करना होगा और खुदा ने चाहा तो अगले साल आप ज़रूर आएंगे और आप गाएंगे ज़रूर। ओके, मेरी तरफ से भी नो है।
Hey guys, we are just waiting for Hilda. Let's see what she has to say after the auditions. And there we have Hilda. हेलो मैम, कैसा था आपका ऑडिशंस?
बहुत अच्छा था।
तो आपको मज़ा आया?
हाँ, बहुत मज़ा आया।
तो जजेस को क्या कहना था?
उन्होंने बोला प्रैक्टिस करके अगली बार आ जाओ।
अगली बार तो आप पक्का आने वाले नेक्स्ट टाइम 100%?
ट्राई करूँगी।
लॉक किया जाए। Yes. So all the best to Hilda. कोई बात नहीं है। They say God has given us an ocean full of opportunities, है ना? And I'm sure आप next time आके और बहुत अच्छा करोगे। All the best Hilda. Thank you so much. Well, that was Hilda for you. कोई बात नहीं यार, दुनिया बहुत लंबी है काके। They say yes. Waiting for the next participant to come in. Let's see what in store from Mumbai. Thank you.
Big J TV presents Big Singer for J. Program sponsors Kane Properties, Udupi. Silas International School, Udupi. Lombard Memorial Hospital, Udupi. Impra Refrigeration Sales and Service, Udupi and Mangalore. SPS Fabrics, Super Bazaar, Udupi. Bethel Higher Primary English Medium School, Kunjibettu, Udupi. The Solfa Western Music Professional School, Mangalore. Autoland, Kinnimulki, Udupi. Western Institute of Technology, Mangalore. Imuna Masalas, Angel Auto Services, Chandivelli, Mumbai.